Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Grimes and I'm head teacher here at Swansfield Park Primary School. We do place a real great importance on outdoor learning, and we make sure that all children, right from the early years, from nursery right the way up to year 6, have access not only to outdoor learning but also to experience of gardening and growing their own produce, and the real buzz that they can get from growing from seed to actually something that they can either enjoy visually or they can enjoy eating it. So each class has their own area that they can use for growing. Some of our classes have enjoyed planting a range of edibles. We've got carrots, we've got peas, we've got potatoes, we've got lettuce, and the children have lovingly tended their gardens over the last few months, and they're now starting to harvest some of the produce that they have lovingly grown, and they're enjoying eating that in the classrooms. Other classes decided that they wanted to create something that was going to be visually beautiful for everyone in our school community to enjoy, so they've planted a range of flowers that they're enjoying tending as well. We did have a little kind of project round about the time of the coronation, where we encouraged classes to plant in red, white and blue, and also purple, because that's our school colour, and we felt that was quite regal, so that fitted the occasion. So we're really lucky to receive from the Town Council lots and lots of packets of wildflower seeds, so we were able to use those to add to our collections that we had bought, and that has really come to bloom now, and we're enjoying all that we have grown.